Hi, we are on Sado Island. It's around not far western from Niigata, and now we are climbing one rock, steep rock in the tropical rainforest path, and you will see now how it looks like. Okay? And hopefully there are some adventures on the way. It's probably one Japanese church. It's probably abandoned. Nobody's here. So we will switch off now, or just wait a second to look inside. Yes. So it's closed. Or not even. Very famous mask for this island. Lights from women and men. Look at this, how is this made? Everything with wood.